Hello everyone, Jav here from Ninja Jav Crafts, and today I'm showing you how to make this super easy and quick graduation card, which also comes with a envelope to add your gift card. So let's begin. So here are all the materials that we would be needing. So first of all, we will need obviously some cardstock. So you would need 3 different colors of cardstock. One is going to be your top layer, and the other is going to be the insert, and the third color is going to be for the scroll and the cap. You'll also need some mountain tape, your Cricut mat, the light grip mat, your premium fine point blade, your magical Cricut maker, and lastly this handy crafter's tape, which is also called the glue tape. Now let's get started with the cutting. Before you cut, make sure that your blade is sharp enough, and if it's not, you can sharpen it by punching it in a ball of aluminum foil like I'm doing over here. Also make sure that your light grip mat is sticky. If it's not, go ahead and wash it with dishwashing liquid. Once you're done, you can get started with this project. Alright, so first of all, go ahead and download the free SVG file from the Cricut, from the VIP library. You can access the free library by going to my website, Ninja Jav Crafts, then click on Free SVGs from the menu, scroll down and join the VIP list by entering your name and email. Click on the button Count Me In, and you will receive an email with the link to the free SVG library. So go ahead and do that. Once you have downloaded the file, upload it on Design Space. So this is what it's going to look like once you have uploaded the file on Design Space. Now, as you can see, there are some lines on this envelope, and we gotta change these lines into score lines, or else the Cricut is just gonna cut on it. So first of all, go ahead and ungroup everything by clicking on the left hand side, by clicking on ungroup button on the top right hand side. So once you have ungrouped, click on each of the lines given, and then go to the left hand side and drop down menu beside line type, select score, and go ahead and just do for all the lines that you can see on the envelope. So once you're done, click and browse so the lines are selected and the envelope is also selected, and then go ahead and click attach, which is given at the bottom right section of the screen. Repeat this step for the small envelope as well. So once you're done, just click on Make It. Now connect your machine. So this is what you are going to have, and you can see all the lines are intact in their place. Now go ahead and click on Continue. Connect your machine. So for all of these mats given over here, just go ahead and select the normal cardstock setting. If you're using medium cardstock, go ahead and select that. But when you reach the part with the intricate cuts, go to your material settings and select intricate cardstock from the list. And if you're using Cricut Explorer to set the dial to custom, and then from the drop-down menu, select intricate cardstock. This is extremely important to get clean cuts. Alright, so now go ahead and connect your machine and get everything cut. Now it's going to take longer than usual because it's an intricate cut, but be patient, it's going to turn out awesome. Alright, all the cutting is done. Now it's time to assemble. First of all, remove all of your cardstock from your mat, and to avoid it from curling up, you can just flip your mat so that the cardstock side is facing down and pull the mat instead of pulling your card. So go ahead and do that, and now we can assemble everything. So first of all, apply some glue tape along the edges, and then along the 4 edges, add the and then cut out some mountain tape, add it on the small pieces at the wrong side of the small pieces, and attach the pieces to where they belong. Alright, now if you want to add some gift cards, you can go ahead and assemble the gift card envelope and insert your gift card, add your name and stuff, and gift it to the person who's graduating. Alright, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.